Here I've got Samsung Galaxy M21 and let me show you how to activate the camera timer on the following device. So obviously at first you have to open the camera app. Here is the icon, and right here in the middle of the screen you will find the timer icon. So all you have to do is to tap on it and then select 2, 5 or 10 seconds. Just pick the preferred option. Let me choose for example 10 seconds, and now you can see that the picture will be taken with 10 seconds delay. And it has been grabbed. Then you can change it to, for example, 2 seconds, and also at first you see the countdown and then the picture is taken. So this is it. To switch it off, just mark it and tap on off, and now the picture is grabbed right after you click. So this is it. This is how you can activate, use and switch off camera timer in Samsung Galaxy M21. Enjoy, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.